Hello YouTube, it's me again. Yeah, what am I doing this week? What did I do? I cleaned out a box of steel over there a while back, threw all the stuff out. So finally threw all the scrap metal in the scrap metal pile. I had a scrap metal box on my floor over here. That's gone, taken apart. I have a big piece of metal right here. Actually, I'll lower it a little. I have this big metal stand I gotta just put somewhere because it's useless. I organized metal back there. I actually have 3 feet of room on the floor here now. Whoa, so cool. I have a bunch of these stupid things I found in the box. I don't know what they are. They're all going in the art bin. There's a zillion of these little nuts that I found in there. There's all kinds of weird shit in there. There's, wait, what else is there? I found punches in the box. I found some thing. I don't know what the hell this is. Anybody have a clue what the hell that is? Yeah, I'll leave it up here for a second. This is a weird thing, see? It's got a hole in here that goes straight into this one. There's a bolt. There's a bolt on the back. It's welded to actually I should say it's brazed. So it's got to be quite old. There's a little thing here that tightens up and that don't spin. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's used for. But I'm throwing it in the garbage, in the recycling. I also found, because there was a box of junk somebody gave me. I found a box of screws for my giant stapler. Not screws. Staples for my giant stapler, which is cool. Gotta have some genuine, get this out, check this out. Genuine Acme Coherent staples, 5,000. Staplecraft. Staplecraft. Back when they made things in cool. I found a metal plate it's kind of like a 1, 2, 3 block, only it's a half 2, 4 block. Half 2, 4 block. That's stupid. What else? I found a highly dangerous punch. Like, yeah, because that, you know, even I know that after watching people like this is seriously dangerous. Like, you slam a thing in there and take an eye out. I found that. A couple other punches. I found a few files in there in the box. A couple of metal files. Not bad, they're all greasy. This thing looks like it's been abused. It's got some words on it. Where is it? Can you read it? It's made in USA. It's been tortured and abused. It's got a good handle. Maybe I could use it for a blacksmith thing. And tons of those other things. And no saw blade. So I'm putting this in the art bin. Yeah. Oh yeah. Gotta love these Craftsman wrenches. See? That's the highest quality Craftsman wrench I ever seen. You can tell this was done a while ago, because who in their right mind these days brazes with bronze thing? But hey, I'm pretty sure it did a lot of, for somebody it just probably did a lot of work. So anyway, out of the old fridge I got a shitload of light bulbs. I've actually, it's funny, my old fridge when we had these little screw-in light bulbs, I used to scrap fridges, I'd keep them and I'd come in my garage and take another bulb. I got them all out of scrap things. I have a pile of screws, which, yeah, I'm probably gonna throw them all in the trash. But I don't know, I might see if I can like screw them all in something and use it for some. But yeah, anyway, that's the first video I'm doing. Stay tuned because I got more stuff I'm gonna show you in a minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the fellows listed below, and I don't know, the hell with the bell, subscribe. Thanks for watching.